Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about why this year is your year to go into homeownership. Let's go straight into it. So many of you may have the goal to go into either homeownership this year or maybe purchasing your first rental property, whether it's going to be an investment for yourself, of course, or another way is, of course, buying it and you're going to actually live in it, what the bank calls owner occupied. Okay, and no matter which way you're looking to do it, you can most definitely learn how to do this through our home buying course. Okay, in our home buying course is going to let you know exactly what credit scores and what credit scores are needed, what expectations for interest rates, and essentially how to start that entire process and making sure that your credit is there before talking to a lender. Okay, it goes over the ways to check your credit scores, of course, to before you actually go into the talking to the lender. It also shows you what questions you need to ask the lender as well. That course also goes into what it's like working with the real estate agent, and essentially how to prepare for that. Everything you need to have in place to get the pre-approval, and of course things that you should expect after owning the property as well too. So again, our home buying course is a part of our 850 Club Elite. So of course the Elite membership has a couple of other courses as well, as including in how to build business credit fast, as well as how to purchase or lease a vehicle, how to improve your credit score yourself. So it's do-it-yourself the course in there as well too. So a lot of great information, but this is your year to go into homeownership. You can do it, and this course can literally walk you through it. And it doesn't matter what state you're in. It also goes over down payment assistance as well. So all of the down payment assistance programs that are available to you and how to find them in your state. It shows you step by step how to do that. So again, just because you're not local here in Illinois does not mean that you can't accomplish that, or we can't help you accomplish that, I should say. So all you got to do is just click on the link in the description below, and you'll see that you can go ahead and start that process. So if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.